Right folks, we're now up in Zulu. I'll get into around for saying that, but that's what they call it up where I come from, Kincasden. Now, I'm going, before I start, it's a good thing fellow fencers working together. You's all follow me and I'll follow you. So Parkstone Fencing down in Bradford today, I'm going to give you a shout out, and I've seen your work on Facebook and it looks number one, it looks up to the WSH standard. And that's what I'm saying, I'll do that, I'll mention I'll use other fencers. Only if he's passed the WSH fencing test, and I think Parkstone Fencing do that. Anyway, never mind that. Let's move on to what the video's about today. I did this fence originally 22, yes I repeat, yes, not there, 22 years ago, right? And Julie the barmaid, has got his bar. Today a new fence, and that's, we're taking out the post there. Now look, come here. Oh, there. Stocky, could you hold that post up please? Like you've ran away with I want it in my video. He ran away, hold it up pal, hold it up. Let them see the pointy end. That's the bit, it's the dirty bit's the bit in the ground. There, that's good, Stocky, well done. He took it away, so that lets you see we're taking them out, the depth they're in. And that was a 3 feet high fence all the years ago, right? Okay. Now another thing too, by the way, to my fellow Ranconians, because when I was getting my birth certificate, I'm classed as a Rankison, born from Rankison. So I'm a very, very proud man finding that out just this week. I'm a Ranconian, so and what an honour to be called a Ranconian, because see, you couldn't get a finer place in Scotland to live than Rankison, or as I know it as, a Rinkinston. Anyway folks, there you go. I'll let you see this job finished yet again after 22 years. Look at that. Wait to show you something. Imagine Stocky stealing the posts that I want in my video. Look at that. And we're getting in there when you post, taking all that out. So there you go folks. See you all later, and thanks very much, Parkstone Fencing.